guys, hope you are doing good. Please subscribe to this YouTube channel so that I can be able to bring more content. Thanks. In this video, I'm going to show you how to design a logo to Microsoft Word Office. Thanks. Let me go straight to the video. So, basically, let me start the video. I'm going to insert text box here. I'm going to write MGM. Then I'm going to remove format shape. Okay. Shape option. No fill. No line. Edge. I'm going to add another text box again. And right. Then to highlight it again. Highlight it, format shape. Open, and take it to the off here. Side, and we're going to start cycle shapes. Cycle here. Like this. Close this window. I'm going to make it something like format shape, transparency. We make it some like maybe this color, this dark color, dark blue. Then let me copy this coffee. Yes, it's so that I can make it two. Then I make it like this. Then highlight it onto this side. Then no fill. Okay, it's okay. Then like this. Then let me add another cycle here. Here. So cycle. Then let me change the color cycle. The exact color like this. Let me close the window. Then 6. Same. This one. Right. This, you see. Then I'm going to close this window again. Close it. Then I'm going to take this. I'm going to make it big, bolt around this, around 70. Sorry, this one. Maybe let us make it this one. I want to take this one test. Make it something around like big. Yeah. This color.
Yeah. So now we need to highlight this. Maybe we can change the font to something. Maybe this one. Then we are going to add font size. Something allow maybe like this. So let me add the font size again. We need to make it bigger, like this. Let me highlight it so that I can remove this line. Let me remove it. Line. Okay. Open. Now I remove it. I can edit if I want to change. Again, let me add some color on it. Maybe something like this. Maybe. Oh, the color. Make it let me make this again. Take it. Yes. Up to now, I need to increase the color of the text. So that I can make it maybe like this. Then this we need to change the color font again to something like this Broadway, and also maybe yeah, maybe I can change the color to something this. Design solution. We close this window. This design solutions. Let me add some codes here. Text box. It here. Type. We add company here. Company. Then highlight it. Broadway again, like the other one. This one maybe like small. Something like this. Let me highlight it again. Match shape. Fill. Just option. Something like this. Then take it. Put it here. Let me move the window, this window. So guys, hope you enjoyed this video. This is the quick guide on how to design a professional logo on Microsoft Word Office. Please subscribe, share, like and comment so that I can able to share more content with you guys. Thanks once again. Peace.